If you're looking for a cute STEM activity for your toddlers to do, check out this set. It's a flower garden building STEM activity. You can build your base for whatever shape. We have 2 circles here, and then you can add your flower and stem pieces and even the little butterflies that come with it, which just set right on top. But there's 148 pieces in this bucket. This is the storage bucket. You get a lid also. Really cool. Good for like rainy days or just because. Keep in the playroom. It's nice to take to the grandparents also. So if you want to keep one at their house, one at your house, it works out really nicely. Very compact. Just a really good brainstorming activity that they can use their critical thinking skills, fine motor skills, and build their own little garden. Y'all check this out. Hopefully you like it as much as we have.